Hi guys, this is Keep JL Life and I am Millie. Thank you so much for tuning in today. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I love you guys. And to my new subscribers, thank you for joining our family. We aim to encourage, uplift, and inspire on this channel. So please watch our videos and enjoy, okay? And if my content is something that you like, please go ahead and come and join our small but soon to be big family. We are heading to 5,000 subscribers. So please share this video with your auntie, your uncle, your sister, your friend, and let them come on board as well. Now, in this video, I am going to be showing you guys my vendor that I use that makes custom outfits and also ready to wear outfit from Africa. I find that most people get clothes from China and then try to sell them as stuff from Africa. Come on guys, it's not authentic. If you want something authentic from the motherland, get it from vendors from Africa. This young lady, she's reliable. Her customer service is on point. She is efficient. If she tells you she will get an outfit to you in 7 days, I promise you it will get to you in 7 days. I have used her many times. I am not disappointed. I'm never disappointed. Send her your measurements and you will have the outfits that you want. She also have nice ready to wear that you can just pick up. And yeah, so this is not a sponsored video. I hope you enjoy the outfits that I show you. And if you see anything you like, contact her. I'm going to leave her information below. Okay. And also if you like this hair, go to my previous video. Oh, it's hot in this car. Whew. Let me hurry up and get out. I'm going to the beauty supply store and I just wanted to make this intro really quick. So yeah, so it's hot out here. It's about 90 degrees. And I don't want my air condition to disturb you guys. So let's hurry up. But anyway, this hair is from my previous video. Nice vendor as well. It's not a sponsored video, but it's a nice, affordable, curly hair that you can run to the store with, that you can even wear to an event. So anyway, this intro has been long enough. Thank you guys for clicking again. Enjoy the video. And if you like what you see, her information is below. Remember, I hope all you guys are having a safe and blessed day. God bless you. God keep you. God cause his face to shine on you. He loves you forever. Bye, guys.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just